What is refresh rate? 60 Hz, 90 Hz, and 120 Hz. Defining the fluidity of your display. The refresh rate of a smartphone display is a critical specification measured in Hertz. Simply put, it measures the number of times per second your screen updates the image displayed on it. All content on your phone, whether a static photo or a fast-paced video, is made up of a series of individual still images, or frames. The standard baseline, 60 Hz. For many years, 60 Hz was the standard across all smartphones. A 60 Hz screen refreshes its image 60 times every single second. While this is fast enough to fool the human brain into seeing smooth motion, the jump to higher rates is immediately noticeable to the user. The Smoothness Index. A display with a higher refresh rate, such as 90 Hz or 120 Hz, updates the image 90 or 120 times per second, respectively. This increase in frame delivery translates directly into smoother motion and a perceived reduction in input lag when interacting with the device. The real-world impact on experience. The most significant benefit of a higher refresh rate is the profound difference it makes in the overall user experience. Enhanced responsiveness and scrolling. You will notice the effect most clearly during basic daily activities. Scrolling through web pages, navigating menus, and swiping between home screens all feel significantly more fluid and responsive on a 90 Hz or 120 Hz screen. The higher the refresh rate, the less motion blur is visible between frames, making the entire interface feel snappier. A competitive edge in gaming. For mobile gamers, a high refresh rate provides a tangible advantage. Many modern games support frame rates higher than 60 frames per second, FPS. A 120 Hz display ensures the screen can actually show those extra frames, resulting in less visual latency and faster reaction times, which are crucial in competitive play. The battery life trade-off. While the visual benefits are clear, the physics of continually refreshing the screen more often comes with a significant drawback: power consumption. The cost of constant updating. A 120 Hz display requires the display panel and the phone's system on a chip, SoC, to work harder and more frequently than a 60 Hz display. This constant work consumes more power, which can noticeably reduce the phone's overall battery life, sometimes by up to 20 to 30% depending on the usage scenario. Introducing adaptive refresh rates, LTPO. To solve the battery problem, manufacturers developed adaptive refresh rate technology, often using LTPO, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, display panels. This intelligent feature allows the screen to dynamically change its refresh rate based on the content. For example, the screen can drop down to as low as 1 Hz when viewing a static image, like reading an email, but instantly jump back to 120 Hz when scrolling or gaming. This clever system saves battery without sacrificing smoothness when it's needed most. Refresh rate versus touch sampling rate. It is important not to confuse refresh rate with the touch sampling rate. While the refresh rate dictates how often the screen shows an update, the touch sampling rate dictates how often the touch screen looks for input from your finger, also measured in Hertz. For fast, responsive gaming, both a high refresh rate and a high touch sampling rate are necessary to minimize lag between touch and action.